genetic of a material. Like in humans, you born with genes carrying from your parents. Your parents has carried genes from their parents and so on. So those genes have a genetic code. We all know that mustache comes at the age of 14. The teeth, they fell and again a new teeth comes. People say that if you live for 100 years, the new teeth comes. These are all genetically coded inside the body. Why people are growing at certain age? Because genetically it is written. Similarly, in metals and materials, you can now humans are also after the genetic engineering. They are trying to manipulate nature by decode the genetics. But engineering and research in materials and metallurgy is by engineering these codes. How do you engineer this code? Is by manufacturing, by melting, by solidification, by processing it, by heat treatment and by machining. All these aspects, of course joining, by welding and other joining aspect also comes into the picture. Now when you have abundance of materials, like India is a huge country and we have a huge source of iron ore, we have a huge source of platinum, thorium, we have a huge source of thorium, and we have so many other mines. We have an abundant source of coal, which is energy. What is needed in today's time by us is to understand that material and do applied research, because we do not have research for infrastructure for the pure research. What Indian mines are supposed to do is that whatever knowledge is available today, and if you try and apply that knowledge of materials and metallurgy in engineering the property better, believe me, the whole world is waiting to take the components from you. That is how, because in today's time, okay, the advantage with India is we have been, our honorable Prime Minister always say one aspect is that this country has 35% of the population which is between 10 to 35. And I see a lot of age group here. If you have in your hand the future of the country, believe me, your thought process is very, very important. So if you try and stress about the materials and its properties, there is a fortune waiting for you people. Because though India has a huge country, it is the largest consumer of the product. The population of our country is 1/6 of the world population. So we are the 1/6 of consumer of the world products. If you produce a quality good here, believe me, if our car manufacturers can produce the quality of the Audi and produce a BMW or Mercedes, I don't see why we buy Mercedes. The only quality which allows us to buy and drain our hard-earned money by a hype created by the West that this is the status symbol. And we all have fallen for it. But no, that's not. I don't want to combat the economy of the world by philosophy. No, that's wrong. You achieve, you make your line longer than the other's line. You have to produce that car and then kick the car. Otherwise, we always say, the angur khatte hai. If you don't get the angur, you say it is khatte hai. I don't want to do that. So basically, your input and understanding of the materials can change human lives. In turn, whatever is helping human lives. Why WhatsApp is so successful than other? Because it has made ease of operation. So if you understand these aspects and ease of operation with respect to materials, with respect to production, that is we call as innovation. So I do not appeal the students and faculties members which are sitting here to understand about the intricacy of the and go for a very sophisticated or a high-end research. No, there is a huge scope available within our manufacturers. So most important aspect of all of you is to educate the people, those who are not understanding. Try and find out a product which can give you a better performance. Do engineering in that product, do innovation in that product, and that product can hit the world market. And this is the shortest way of improving the economy, because it is said that all medium and small scale industries of our country is contributing to more than 70% of the growth of the country. So if you try and educate and improve the quality of the small product or one of the SMEs which you put, believe me, the economic country can improve in a big way. That is the vision and great vision of our Honorable Prime Minister, and he has given a slogan called Make in India. And believe me, we all can contribute to this vision, and in today's time, the whole world has become your market. You are a very lucky generation to have Google at your fingertips, lucky generations to have, such a beautiful classrooms and, understanding about the things. Utilize it, improve the economy of the country by understanding that your any word has to help to the human being. All developments in the world which has come from the war economy. You know what, from where internet has come? It is the US defense system which they connected all the computers, and that is how intranet, and from intranet the internet word has come. So it is again the defense thing. All development in the medical field which you see today, MRI, the ultrasound, all these were developed for the war economy. You have the today still fighter, which you are not able to see those fighters in your radar. They are ultraviolet light, they are infrared lights. All these physics principles are first researched for defense, because defense is the strength of the world, and then it comes to the human life. So in India we have 7 DRDOs, Defense Research Development Organization. We are very fortunate that we have a person like Parikar, who is now at the helm of the affairs, and he is being interacting with many industries to see that you get the right kind of manufacturing done. Not taking much of your time, friends, I would like to show you a small video on our company which will help you all, and after that I'll take on question answers which you have. No, that's okay. Just a minute. Oh, it won't take from here. You have to be, if the output is taken from here. So, is it possible for you to